Quant is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. You guys have been killing it with the likes lately, so let's see if we can get 20 likes on this video. As you can see on quant, we have consolidated above a major resistance level. We saw this beautiful breakout candlestick right over here at 187. We saw that confirmation for that retest, and I mentioned to you guys yesterday that now that we saw this retest confirmation, there are two possibilities. Number one is we can continue pushing higher, but it is going to become extremely risky because of the fact that we've already become in a very extremely overbought area. And number two is the fact that we could break this support level and continue pushing lower and possibly be retesting that support at 154. Now, the first scenario did play out perfectly. We did get a move all the way up to 227 before we saw some profit taking, and we saw a retest of these exponential moving averages. Now we have seen our first bearish engulfing candle after we see almost triple wicks to the upside. This is a bearish confirmation, and now it looks like quant is consolidating at a crucial level. Ideally, what I would like to see here is a pushback down to maybe the 187 level and a possible retest before that confirmation, making up the next leg. But if we do break that 187 and we do get confirmation below that resistance, then that's going to become extremely risky, right? Ideally, what you want to see is, for example, if we do see a bounce, you want to see a 3-test formation and then that continuation with a strong bullish candle, and that would be extremely good for quant. But if we see that break below and we get that confirmation, so we start seeing those rejection candles below this support level, we would be looking for a larger move to the downside at 154. Now, of course, on the lower time frames for quant, we can see that we are already starting to see a pullback where we had a massive move. We saw this beautiful wick going up on these candlesticks. Usually there are pullbacks, and that's pretty much how it played out on the lower time frames. And I mentioned this to you guys many times before. On the lower time frames, it will give you a better understanding of whether or not the move is going to be completed and whether or not this is a fake out. You can see that we had this huge engulfing candle pushing up. We were already in that overbought area, so this was a confirmation to actually take that short position, and you saw we actually took that short position beautifully, went right back to the exponential moving averages, which I did mention yesterday that this 20 exponential moving average will be tested. We tested it perfectly. We saw this the take profits, and then we continue pushing higher once more. We saw the second double top retest at 227 on the hourly, and now we are trading once again near the 187 mark. So what's going to happen next for quant? So number one, we can see that we already have a pretty good high over here at 227. And number two, we are now trading below this 227 high, and we're starting to create another higher low, right? You can see that this is a bearish confirmation. So if we do see a break below this 195 level, around these support levels over here, we can be looking to hit that 187, and then it'll become extremely crucial for the bulls to take that control back and try to push it above to that 240, 250 level. If we can't get above that level, then of course we will be retesting this major support at 154, but we first need to get that confirmation before we actually enter the trade. If we don't have that confirmation, we can definitely get wicked out like we saw over here. A lot of traders got wicked out at this level, hoping we were going to get that test of that support and a break formation, but we didn't. We actually saw a massive move, and this was that short squeeze, right? So you don't want to be part of that short squeeze. Ideally, you want to be part of that long trade. So again, just because it is overbought and you're starting to see on the RSI, okay, there's no way this thing can continue pushing up higher because of the fact that it's already pushed so far. You guys need to understand that there are no emotions, there are no theories in trading, only what the chart tells you. And the chart was telling you that there's still a strong support at 187 and buyers were still there. So quant had more room to move up. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.